Welcome to the Kentucky Show. I am Kentucky, and I'm going to tell you something. I'm having fun with my new hobby, making videos. This is my practice videos, and this is the 25th practice video that I made. And equipment's coming in. That's a good thing. Thinking about Livermore, Kentucky, one of the best fishing holes in Kentucky, and looking forward to videoing that and making a production show down there. The park has a tank down there. I'm going to the park and I'm going to go fishing that day, taking the video camera and some fishing poles. And hey, I'm about ready to jump on the second phase of learning how to do video. Up to this point, it's been a learning factor for me. Yeah, lighting, cameras, videos, um, studio, equipment, all that stuff comes into play, and I'm glad I was able to get on YouTube and YouTube University and watch how to do this. I'm doing much better now, and I can't wait to see what happens in the next 30 days. I'm about 50 days into this, and yeah, it's going to be a hobby. I'm Kentucky. Be safe, my relatives.